Hello and Merry Christmas. We're about to draw a cute little kitten for the holidays. I think we'll start right about here off to this side of the page. Helps if you have lights on. On this side of the page. And its head is going to be slightly tilted. Instead of this way, it's going to be slightly tilted this way. We're going to throw in right here a little patch of black under its mouth. Here we go. There we go. Looks like a kind of a crazy W, but we'll go with that. And then we'll put in the nose. And then this goes up this way, this goes up this way. And then we're going to put the eye right about there. Oh, there we are, one. And on this side, repeat. Yeah. Pete and repeat were in a boat. Pete fell out. Who was left? Repeat. Hey, Pete and repeat were in a boat. Pete fell out. Who was left? Repeat. Pete and Pete were in a boat. You get the idea. Okay, so there's one eye. This is a little bit bigger. Side of the face, poofing out just a little bit. Side of the face, poofing out just a little bit on this side. This will make more sense when you start to add the color. Cute little teeth. Tongue. Repeating that U shape. Kind of a dark shadow here. Okay. I might want to move that eye just that way. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. And I've moved this paunchy cheek thing up. Can you see I moved it up to here? So let's erase this one and redo the mouth a little bit. I think that's going to give the kitty cat a little cuter look. Move the inside of the mouth pretty dark. Go around those teeth. And then we'll make the tongue a little pinker later. So this Christmas cat, this kitten, is going to be kind of a white, mostly white kitty cat with a little bit of gray blended in. So we're going to go with a regular pencil and add some grays. Maybe right here. Going under the hat. So we're going to continue with the gray pencil work. White under that eye, and then white under this eye, around this eye as well, with a little gray right here to match this side. Alrighty, the tough part, the hard part, boys and girls, was getting the kitten drawn. That's done. So now here comes the fun part. I'm probably going to fast forward through this, so stay with me. Hang in there. Here we go. Snowflakes down here. Getting carried away. You know why? Because I can do it. That's why. I get carried away and I like it. Let's do this, another snowflake. How's this going to end? How about like that? And how about like that? That one's done. Maybe just a tip of another one coming up into the picture here, and maybe one over here. There's snowflakes for you. Maybe I'll make that a dark blue background to pick up on that. And it continues. Alrighty, finishing touches. Black magic marker. I usually don't use it, but I'm going to use it for the cross hatching and the outlining. So here we go. And the final touches are pretty much done. I outlined what I wanted to with black. I used a really fine tip Sharpie for the lines around the kitty cat's mouth, make them stand out a little bit more. You know what? I might even do this. Uh-oh, out of juice. Oh, just enough to make it a little darker on that puffy ball. There we go. That gives it a little more dimension and texture. And we are done with this kitty cat Christmas stocking. A little shadow under here. And just have the merriest of Christmas. Hang in there with this one. I'm sure you can come up with some more creative ideas for the different patchwork quilt pieces. And don't forget to subscribe and like and leave me a comment about how much you like this seasonal Christmas project and how much you like my site, my website, actually it's a channel. Hey, Merry Christmas. Bye now.